Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to get Claude API or DeepSeek API or Gemini API for free. Here is the here is a website. I just get this account balance free, and you can also get this token from here. Just follow a easy process like and just copy my referral link and paste it on your browser and continue with your GitHub account. Then you get uh, the API $250 API token from this Open Router website. So first you just need to follow this process. Just go on this site, and I already sign up of this account so that I am not showing the process. Just click on sign in and just click on continue with GitHub. It is a very easy process. Then when you get this type of dashboard, you just go on your dashboard. Here is your balance, and you get, if you use all the balance, then you get everyday $25 balance for free from the Open Agent Router. So you can use it on anti-gravity. You can use it as Claude Code. It provides the API. Just create token and just create a random name and API group default, and you just click on submit. And also you can enable this unlimited quota. Then you just click on submit. I already doing this so that I cancel it. You can click on submit, then you get the API key. Just copy it and use it on your own purpose. So thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.